Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your email preview does not work in new Outlook version. Now, there might be an instance that you have a link in the email and the preview does not show up in the new Outlook version. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step is to go to the settings and then go to the mail tab, and then under mail tab, go to compose and reply. Under this, make sure you scroll down and check you have preview links in email being checked. In case if it is checked and if it still does not show up the preview links in the email, what you could do is you can go ahead and uncheck this option, click on save, close this window, close new Outlook, relaunch new Outlook on your computer, go to the settings, and then go back to the mail options. Under mail on the right hand side, click on compose and reply, and then check the box for preview links in email and click on save again. Close this window, and most of the time that would go ahead and fix the problem. In case even after doing this, if you're still seeing the problem, the next step what you could do is you can go to the view tab. Under view tab, you can go to the reading pane and choose any of these options and check which resolve this issue. Maybe you could try to hide the reading pane and enable the reading pane, and then try to check if the email link previews show up. Most of the time, all this step resolve this issue. And at the same time, in case if you're still seeing the same problem, the next thing what you could do is you can go to the view tab and then go to the message preview, check the box, use any of these options. You can toggle between show preview text and hide preview text and switch back to the show preview text, and then check if the email preview links show up in the Outlook. So all this steps should resolve this issue. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.